Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Dude, they're gonna be so mad at us.
He's a rebel.
Silver Nords, you're on the right. Silver's up front, orange is in the back.
They're breaking us out. They're breaking us out.
We have the recruits. Wait, you still here? Ho's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recaudos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
This here's R5. He's gonna get you out of here.
Thank you for rescuing us.
Corridor to the turbo lift. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait.
Let's go. Let's get out of here.
Your cover is blown. Find
They know we're trying to get out now. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Droids anyway.
Detention don't breach. Prisoners not seen unless there they are! Fire!
Stop, Barry. Stop.
These three pods just follow us.
Take the leg. It's bent.
No, not up!
I said down. This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their stations.
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Hurry! He's coming in. We gotta go.
the location of the secret base. And then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Let's go! This is our escape pod, guys. We got a jet. Let's get out of here!
Okay, you're clear.
This is the base.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, stand for spot.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo!
You're not getting information from us.
R5, you too.
Rebels, thank you for breaking us out. Thank you.
Nothing to it.